what if a few smart tools could make electrical work, repairs, drilling, wiring, and everyday maintenance much easier? In this video, we're looking at 22 innovative tools designed to save time, reduce effort, and solve common problems in surprisingly simple ways. From smart testing devices to powerful cordless tools and portable power solutions, there's something useful for almost every job. So stay until the end, because the final tools are seriously impressive. 1. Quick-release car battery terminal. This quick-release battery terminal lets you connect or disconnect your car battery in seconds. Simply install it on the battery post and press it into place. When the vehicle is parked for a long time, disconnect it to help prevent battery drain. When you need the car, reconnect the power instantly. 2. Smart Circuit Analyzer. This smart circuit analyzer can check live voltage, DC voltage, and wiring continuity. It can identify live and neutral wires and help locate broken sections of a circuit. The built-in NCV function detects voltage without direct contact. It also has an outlet wiring tester and a leakage protection test button. A built-in light makes it useful for working in dark areas. 3. Compact brushless drill. This compact brushless drill may be small, but it delivers plenty of power. It features a strong copper motor, multiple torque settings, high and low speeds, forward and reverse rotation, and built-in LED lighting. It can handle drilling, screw removal, and general repair work. The 16.8V lithium battery provides long-lasting power, and the kit includes various bits and sockets. 4. Mini angle grinder. This palm-sized angle grinder is easy to carry, but still powerful enough for cutting and grinding jobs. Its compact design makes it useful for tight spaces and outdoor repairs. It also comes with different cutting and grinding discs. 5. Green Forest voltage tester. This multifunctional voltage tester can also work as a bright flashlight. It detects live and neutral wires, displays real-time voltage, checks continuity, and helps locate broken wires. It can even test battery terminals. The tester automatically shuts off after 3 minutes to save battery power. 6. Foldable wire stripper and cutter. This foldable electrical tool combines several functions in one. It can identify live and neutral wires, test continuity, locate cable breaks, separate sheathed wires, strip insulation, cut cables, twist multiple wires together, and crimp different terminals. It can also cut threaded rods and tighten several screw sizes. After use, simply fold and lock it for easy storage. 7. Multifunctional electricians bending pliers. Designed for electricians, these pliers make distribution box wiring much neater. They can bend wires into 90-degree angles and U-shaped jumpers, crimp terminals, cut wire and threaded rods, separate sheathed cables, strip insulation, and join 2, 3, or 4 wires. The built-in screw openings and pointed jaws add even more versatility. A locking mechanism makes the tool easy to carry on a belt or tool bag. 8. Smart Anti-Burn Multimeter. This compact multimeter is designed for easy electrical testing. The integrated probes make it simple to use, while the built-in backlight and LED help when working at night. It can measure AC and DC voltage, resistance, fuse condition, and circuit continuity. It can also identify live and neutral wires and locate breaks using its NCV function. The meter automatically powers off after 15 minutes of inactivity. 9. Electrician Circuit Analyzer. This circuit analyzer can detect live and neutral wires, display voltage, and test continuity without powering the circuit. Its non-contact detection function can help locate broken sections along a wire. The rear outlet tester uses colored indicators to identify incorrect wiring, while the leakage test can trigger a working protection device. 10. Coin cell battery charger. This compact charger is designed for 2032 style coin batteries. Instead of immediately replacing a depleted battery, you can recharge it and use it again. It includes overcharge protection and automatically stops charging when the battery is full. It can be useful for car keys, toys, remote controls, electronic scales, and other devices that use compatible rechargeable coin cells. 11. Wi-Fi Smart Electrical Controller. This smart controller lets you operate electrical appliances remotely from your phone. Connect the power and appliance wires according to the terminals, then connect the device to your home's Wi-Fi. You can control lights, fans, sockets, garden lights, and small pumps remotely, as long as the connected appliance stays within its rated power limit. 12. 12V Smart Battery Charger. This 12V charger features a digital battery level display. Connect the red clamp to positive and the black clamp to negative, then plug it in. The display shows the charging percentage, and the charger automatically stops when the battery is full. It can charge different battery sizes and also includes a pulse repair function for depleted batteries. 13. Automatic photocell. Light switch. This photocell switch automatically controls lights according to the surrounding light level. Connect the power and load wires according to the markings and attach the light sensor. The lights can then turn off automatically during the day and switch on when it gets dark. 14. Car battery disconnect switch. This battery disconnect switch installs directly onto the negative terminal. Its adjustable connection can accommodate different battery posts. Turn it to reconnect the battery when you need the vehicle and disconnect it when the vehicle is parked for a long period. It helps reduce unnecessary battery drain. 15. Solar and hand crank. Emergency light. This emergency light uses a built-in solar panel to charge during the day and provide light at night. It is designed to withstand rain and can also generate power through a hand crank when sunlight is unavailable. It can additionally be charged by cable and includes a hanging ring, making it useful for home, outdoor areas, and camping. 16. Angle grinder to drill adapter. With this conversion adapter, an angle grinder can be turned into a drill-style tool. The 3-jaw chuck securely holds different drill and screwdriver bits, allowing you to drill holes or drive screws using the grinder's power source. 17. Portable solar USB charger. This simple solar charger combines a solar panel with a USB output. Place the panel in direct sunlight, connect your phone with a charging cable, and it can provide power without a traditional outlet. When there is insufficient light, it stops supplying power. Its compact size also makes it convenient for travel. 18. Delhi electric screwdriver. This electric screwdriver features electronic torque control with 3 torque levels. Press one side for forward rotation and the other for reverse. Once the screw reaches the selected torque, the tool automatically stops to help prevent damage. It has a magnetic hex bit holder and comes with screwdriver bits, an extension rod, and drill bits. It can handle furniture assembly, electronics, mechanical repairs, and general home maintenance. It can also be charged using a phone charger or power bank. 19. Heavy-duty utility knife. This utility knife has a thick ABS body designed for durability. It includes built-in blade storage, high-carbon steel blades, and a rear blade breaker. The locking mechanism keeps the blade secure during use, while the comfortable grip makes cutting easier. It is a practical option for everyday repair and construction work. 20. Power tool battery inverter. Attach this smart inverter to a compatible power tool battery and turn it into a portable power source. It can provide AC output for suitable electrical devices and also has 3 USB ports for charging phones and other USB equipment. It is useful when you need portable power away from an outlet. 21. Multi-outlet extension adapter. This multi-outlet adapter gives you multiple sockets in one compact unit. It uses copper internal contacts for good conductivity and includes a power switch and indicator light. Its durable housing is designed to resist impact and heat, making it convenient for home workshops and everyday electrical use. 22. High-power outdoor work light. This outdoor work light provides a bright, focused beam with adjustable brightness and a flashing mode. Its metal rotating base and adjustable feet help with positioning and leveling. The housing is designed to resist water, dust, and impacts. With 2 high-capacity lithium batteries, it is suitable for outdoor work, repairs, and areas where strong portable lighting is needed.